Hi guys, just wanna share my trading setup right now. So I really appreciate it. So after work, so nag-aaral tayo, charting tayo, and backtesting. So andyan din yung mga books ko. So nagbabasa tayo ng 2 pages a day, and every day 2 pages. So I need to be consistent, and I need to work my psychology in trading habang nagba-backtesting tayo para nakakondisyon. So let's go. Let's see how it goes this 2024. Siseryosohin ko na tong trading. Kasi di ba, not all the time din naman tayo OFW habang buhay, and natalpak tayo sa shitcoin. Nakakasawa. Puro sunog. Kailangan natin ng literal na tiyaga and proper training, proper backtesting and forward testing, journaling, data gathering. You need to take down notes and gather data as a trader para makita mo yung edge mo sa market, kung ano ba talaga magiging edge mo as a trader. So ayun lang, hanggang dito muna. I just wanna record this moment para at least may remembrance ko kung anong pinaggagawa.